Hello and welcome to this video on how to add Metamask extension to Kiwi Browser. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So first you need to open your Kiwi Browser, and when you open the Kiwi Browser there will be a source bar in it. You just have to click on the source bar and type Metamask, and the source results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the source result that has Metamask text and this Fox logo in it, and you will be able to access this interface. So currently I have already downloaded Metamask, so it says view Metamask portfolio. But if you haven't downloaded the Metamask previously, then there will be a download button. You just have to click on the download button and you will be redirected to the browser's store, and there you just have to click on the install button for the Metamask, and the installation process will begin. And when the installation process is completed, it will ask for you that if you want to add Metamask to the extension, you just have to accept that invitation and you will be able to add Metamask extension in Kiwi Browser. So if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.